Loud beep explosion SFX. Yo, stop scrolling! Did you know Toyota just dropped a battery bomb so wild even Tesla's sweating? Yeah, that's right, solid-state batteries. No, it's not sci-fi, it's real. And it could change everything you know about EVs. Pause, meme emoji pop-up. Okay, let's set the stage. Fast zoom SFX, picture this. It's 2025. You pull up in your ride, flexing on everyone, but who's got the real juice under the hood? Car engine revs. Toyota's been playing the long game, lurking in the shadows like Batman with their secret weapon, solid-state batteries. Pause, Batman meme flash. Meanwhile, Tesla's been dominating with lithium-ion, the OG of EV batteries. Toyota's new tech charges in 10 minutes lasts for 750 miles and won't explode if you sneeze on it. Sneeze SFX explosion meme. Like, bro, I can barely charge my phone that fast. Facepalm emoji. But wait, before you throw your Tesla stocks in the trash, let's talk drama. Suspense SFX. Tesla fans are out here like, Elon's got rockets, he'll figure it out. But Toyota's like, hold my sushi. And now, they've actually built working prototypes. Pause anime, wow, SFX. Let's break it down. Whoosh SFX, jump cut. Solid state, equal sign, safer, lighter, more range. You won't have to do weird battery yoga every winter. The catch? It's expensive and nobody's mass-producing these bad boys. Yet. But here's the kicker. Toyota's planning to drop solid-state EVs before 2027. And if they pull it off? Game changer. Imagine charging your car faster than your pizza delivery. So, is Tesla doomed? Not so fast. Elon's crew is working on their own next-gen batteries, but Toyota's been stacking patents like Pokemon cards. This is the battery battle royale you never knew you needed. But what do you think? Would you trust Toyota's solid-state magic, or are you #Team Tesla for life? Drop a comment. Let the flame wars begin. Quick poll. Who do you think takes the EV crown by 2030? Toyota, Tesla, some wild card? Smash that like button if you love a good tech showdown. And subscribe because I'm dropping EV secrets every week. And hey, stick around. Did you catch the hidden meme in this video? Rewind and see if you can spot it. Alright, I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, charging out.